Hello everyone, welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I'm going to show you how to make really awesome DIY back to school notebooks. Don't these look great? The first thing you need is notebooks, then you need a normal pen and a glitter pen, scissors, glitter card, coloured card, glue, adhesive letters and stick-on gems. So the first thing we want to do is to cover our whole book using some of the glitter card. That's because this book doesn't have a very nice cover. Stick it on like so. That's much prettier. Now we're going to take some of our card and we're going to fold it in half. Using our pen, we're going to draw the base of our muffin, or cupcake. And we're going to cut it out. Because it's folded in half, it's going to be perfectly symmetrical. See? I think this is a bit too big though, so I'm going to cut off the edge. Perfect. Now I want to draw the top of the cupcake. So I'm going to use this base as a stencil so I know how big it is. I'm now going to cut this out using my scissors. So, that's the top of our cupcake. See how it fits perfectly into the base? We're now going to make the icing using some pink card. Don't forget to use the base as a template so you know how wide to make it. Cut it out using your scissors. Gosh, it looks yummy! See how it's all coming together? Now it's time to stick it all onto the book. Start with the top of your cupcake, then add the icing. And finally, do the base. Gosh, it's looking yummy. Now we need to decorate with some sticky gems. They look like sprinkles. I'm using a glitter pen to add trim to it. Gosh, this is going to look so great at the end. And finally, I'm using my sticky letters to put a title on my book. You could put anything you like up there. How about your name, or whatever subject it is? Now it's time to do our second book. I'm going to do an ice cream on this one. So first I need to do my cone. Then I need to cut out the actual ice cream. I want a second scoop of ice cream, so I'm doing that in blue. See how it all comes together? Now it's time to stick it on. Make sure you've got room for the cone. I'm using my glitter pen to do some sprinkles on this one. Delicious! Now it's time to add the sticky letters on the top. What are you going to write on this one? Make sure that they're all a little bit kooky. It adds character and looks really awesome. See? And there you have it, awesome DIY back to school notebooks. Today I'm going to show you how to do a DIY bendy pencil. That's right, they're pencils and they're bendy. So for this you're going to need some pencils, some bake and bend clay, a craft knife, a cocktail stick, a wooden skewer, and a pencil sharpener. So let's get started. First up, we're going to take our pencil. I'm using my craft knife to cut into the end. We want to snap off the eraser. Perfect. Now we want to remove the wood from the pencil. This is quite tricky, but remember, practice makes perfect. We want to be left with the exposed lead. Nearly there. Now let's take our clay. I'm rolling it into a long, thin spaghetti shape. I'm taking my skewer and I'm pressing it into the middle. We want to wrap the clay around the skewer, just like so. Perfect! That looks great! Now we're going back to our pencil lead. I'm using my craft knife to get some shavings off it. Now I'm taking some more clay and I'm mixing it with the shavings we have from the pencil lead. This is going to become our bendy pencil inside. Let's go back to our original pencil that we've made from the clay. We want to pull out the skewer. See how bendy it is? Now we're going to take our lead clay. We want to fill the space where the skewer was. So roll a long thin spaghetti shape and push it on the inside. Use your skewer to push it down the other end. Keep feeding it through. Great! Now I'm taking a pencil sharpener. I'm sharpening the end, and then that's it! There you have it! A bendy pencil! Look how much it can bend! You can make any different colours and different patterns as well. Wow! Super cool! Don't they look great? These are so much fun! How cool! And there you have it, your very own DIY bendy pencil. Today I'm going to show you how to make your very own bubble soap. Doesn't this look cool? It's soap, but it looks like a bubble. Amazing! So for this you're going to need a mixing bowl, a small funnel, a Pyrex jug, spherical molds, 3 tablespoons of gelatin, 4 cups of water, and 2 cups of sugar. You're also going to need 1 tablespoon of citric acid, 150 ml of clear liquid soap. So let's get started. Put the gelatin and 1 cup of water into a mixing bowl. Give it a good stir and then set it to one side. In a new bowl, we're going to put 2 cups of sugar, 3 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of citric acid, and then we're going to mix. We want to make sure that all of the powder is dissolved. Keep mixing. Perfect. Now let's head to the hob. Over medium heat, we're going to put the sugar mixture into a pan. Make sure you give it a good stir. Now we're going to add the gelatin mixture. It will have solidified, and that's okay. Keep stirring. Now we're going to add 150 ml of liquid soap. This is what makes our bubble soap actually soap. Give it a good stir. Continue to heat, stirring, for about 2 minutes. Then you're going to take it off to cool. Once you've taken it off the hob, pour the mixture into your jug and let it cool down slightly. It shouldn't be boiling. We're now going to pour the mixture into our mould. I'm using the funnel for ease. After that's done, we're going to refrigerate for 2 hours. And look what happens when you take the top off the mould. Bubble soap. These are so awesome. How very cool. It looks like a giant bubble, but it's actually soap. Great fun in the shower or the bath. And there you have it. That's all you need to do. Now it's time to wash. These are awesome. Add a bit of water and it'll lather up, just like normal soap should. You can squeeze them and play with them as much as you like. Very cool. And there you have it. That's how you make your very own DIY bubble soap. Super fun. Today I'm going to show you how to make DIY edible perfume. So let's start off with some vanilla sweetener. I've also got some candy floss flavouring and a perfume bottle. For some glitz, I'm adding some edible glitter. You also need a glass bowl, a funnel, and some spatulas, as well as a glass of water. So let's get started. First up, we're going to add our glass of water to the large glass bowl. Pour it in there. This is going to be the base of our perfume. Now let's add some of the candy floss flavouring. I'm adding 10 to 15 drops. Give this a good stir. Now I'm adding the vanilla sweetener. I'm adding 3 good squirts of that, and I'm giving it another stir. Now this would already taste delicious and smell amazing, but I want it to look great too. So I'm adding some of the edible glitter. This is going to give your perfume an extra wow factor. You can add as much as you like, just make sure you give it a good stir. This is going to look amazing. Make sure it's all mixed together. Now we're going to take a funnel and put it in the top of our perfume bottle. We want to pour our mixture in there. You can fill loads of perfume bottles. And there you have it. That's all you need to do. Your very own edible perfume. Wasn't that super quick and super simple? It tastes delicious. And it smells great too. Doesn't it look pretty in this awesome perfume bottle? Your friends are going to be amazed. Wow, this looks amazing on my dresser. You could fill any type of different perfume bottle and make a collection. Doesn't it look great? And can you believe it? You can eat it. Very cool. A great perfume alternative for young people. Or old. It's super delicious. DIY edible perfume. Thanks for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. See you again next time. Bye!